Hey, this video is just for you. So, I'm going to explain what's going on in here that's a little off. So, where it says white, there shouldn't be anything because it's white. So, white should be right here. This little value scale at the top going up should give you a hint as to where it should be. So, this whole area, white, then lighter, light, dark, 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 really dark. Okay? So like right here, this should have nothing in it. This should have some. This should have more, a lot more, a lot more, so much more that there's nothing but black here. So like if I squint, these three look pretty much exactly the same. This one, maybe there's a little more. This one's more, but this right here is probably more around the mid-range value right here. Uh, these guys are scribbly, not hatching or cross hatching. I'll uh, show you what I'm talking about. Let's go here, and I'll just pick one of these random guys. Yeah, and it works. Okay, so up here with the hatching, I use the pencil and I do one line at a time. So that looks like I'll use um, right here, one line at a time. This is scribbling. So if you can hit the back button and most of the stuff disappears, and it's not hatching or cross hatching. Here there's less lines, then more lines, more lines, more lines. This and this are pretty close. So I'd spend some more time here drawing lines, individual lines, until that got darker. And I would make this even darker than that one. And then I'd make this one, I'd probably spend like 2 or 3 minutes just doing this over and over and over again until it got really dark. Same deal with the cross hatching. There's less lines here, more lines, but there's still individual lines. All right, and as you want it to be darker, you're going to do more individual lines. The difference with cross hatching is that they're going across each other instead of hatching, which are in the same direction. The more lines you do, the darker it'll get. So with the black, you're going to probably spend 3-4 minutes on this. Remember, this worksheet was assigned on last Monday, and it was, due on Friday. So 3 minutes of doing this doesn't sound unreasonable. All right, and then the stippling and pointillism, you switch to the pen. And then you don't change the size. See that? That right there is wrong. I did that on purpose to show you what not to do. Those are bigger. Those dots are bigger than these dots. You're not looking for bigger size dots. You're looking for less dots and more dots. Right here is white. So there's white right there. There's nothing there. A few dots, a few more, a few more. As I get going, once I get to black, and those are showing you, those are lines. Those are not dots. Let me get closer. All right. These are dots. So you're looking to do this. This is going to take some time again, but you had a lot of time to work on this. So this thing should be fully filled. I think your blending looked okay. Is that yours? Yeah, that's yours. You did right with the blending. The other ones are a little off. So where are we at? I think that's it. So when you go to do this thing, check out the example of what the finished one should look like, which is right here. It's scale 10. You can see it's not scribbly lines, they're individual lines. If you zoomed in, these lines are each in their own line. And you can see how dark that is because there are a ton of dots here. Okay. All right. Hopefully that helps you.